welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make tie-dye shirts. So let's get started.
So to make the tie-dye swirl, lay your shirt flat, pinch it from the middle and twist like this, just in a circle until you get spiral. And then you want to scrunch up all the sides and tie rubber bands, so section it. So I'm just going to do 4 colors. So I have 1 and 2. So I can do 4 different colors. And put on some gloves. Do you need help, Zainab?
Yes.
So you see this really pretty pink color, my favorite color.
So that's what it's supposed to look like with the individual sections and with your rubber bands tight. So yeah, so that's what it's supposed to look like. Now we're gonna tie them. Each of our colors that we're gonna go down.
So then to color each section, you just do it like this. Make sure it gets wet, front and back. And just do whatever colors you like. And don't squeeze too much all at once because we might not have enough.
It's my first time doing tie-dye.
So the thing I'm going for
sorry.
is tropical themed tie-dye. So I'm gonna be doing blue, green, and pink, and maybe some yellow.
And then make sure to do the back too.
You should come here and join us. Pretty.
Here, Zainab, do you want purple?
Yeah,
you see that real quick?
and you see all these very pretty colors.
So we got all of our supplies, like everything from Michaels, and the t-shirts, the tie-dye kits. And the great thing is that if you go on your Michaels website, you can get great coupons and get everything on a good price.
And you see the colors are going very well with each other and they're brown.
Let Zainab talk. She's good, Ashley.
Pink, yellow, green, dark blue, and light blue.
I'm just gonna do any color. Okay, in the order.
But don't do all the white spots because that's how you want it to be, like tie-dye. So make sure, don't try to do all the white spots.
Okay. Why?
Because you want some to be white also. Zainab, how about you do you want blue?
Oh, yeah, I forgot the back.
It also feels like you're kind of making a snow cone, like how you squirt every flavor on. And the great thing about making tie-dye things is if you use every color, like hers over here, like if you use every color, any color, it will always look nice. It's not like 2 colors won't look nice.
And today is such a nice hot day, nice weather.
It's a great day to do tie-dye. Yeah, and if the best day to do tie-dye is when it's sunny, so it can dry faster.
Yeah, and you need to keep some spots white because you won't like it won't look nice.
I say you don't have to do it on a sunny day.
But it's nice.
You can do it on any weather.
So now we are done with our tie-dye shirts, and we're gonna let them wait for at least 6 to 8 hours. The more longer you let them like dry, the more bright the colors are. But if you can leave them for 6 to 8 hours, at least.
But I'm coloring the tag too, so the tag can be cool and colored. Colors!
You guys made it to the end of this video. This is how our tie-dye shirts turned out. They came out really good. But the thing is, this was our first tie-dye shirt that we have ever done, so it's not much color. But the next time we do another tie-dye video, it'll turn out much better.
I know my shirt doesn't have that many colors because it's my first time doing my tie-dye shirt. Like,
Please subscribe and drop a big thumbs up down below and comment panda at the end of this video. Bye!
this is for sale.